Okay, LiveGood just debuted a December contest that's pretty cool. A lot of cash involved and a lot of cool things involved. And what I'll probably do is just share my screen of the poster, the ad that they made, that they emailed all of us that are currently members or affiliates of the mighty LiveGood. Okay, so I'm producing this video, let's see, December 3rd of 2024. Okay. So depending on when you watch this video, it could be January of 2025 and this contest might be over. But if you're watching me live right now, or it's still December of 2024, this is pretty cool. Okay. So what I'll do is just shrink myself up here and I'm going to blow this up on my screen. Okay. This just came in our email today. Okay. And Ben Glinsky last Friday, he hinted about this, where last year he gave away $50,000 and a whole bunch of other cash to all of us members and affiliates. And I'm talking one person. I can't remember what country, but I remember it was a lady, and she won $50,000 cash. I mean, we were all freaking out. But this year, what I'll do is invite you to just look at my screen and pause it. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll it up too so you can see the whole entire poster here. Or maybe I can do that where you can obviously just screenshot this, copy it, and blow it up and read it yourself. But for this video purpose, I'm going to go ahead and blow this darn thing up so you can kind of read along, okay? So, like I said, this came in our email just a few minutes ago. So this year, instead of 50 grand cash, we're going to up it 75 grand. All right, now we turn 2 years old December 13th in 10 days, here December 13th of 2024. Okay, it's our 2-year birthday. So let's just read along. As we celebrate our 2-year anniversary, we want to celebrate with an exciting promotion. Okay, 25 chances to win. Okay, so let me just scroll up here. Now, each week there'll be a separate contest. Okay, now remember, this is December 3rd as I produce this video. So we'll concentrate on the week 1 here. Okay. So anyway, there's going to be 4 weeks of contests and then one big cash prize of 10 grand. And we'll talk about that as I scroll down. So week 1, right now it's December 3rd. So this Thursday, in a couple days, the winner will be drawn on my birthday. Okay. My birthday is Friday, December 6th. So I hope I win. Man, that'd be cool to win something on my birthday. All right, so all I got to do is give away 1 free health assessment. Okay, and if you guys go to freehealthsurvey.com, I own that website. Dr. Ryan Goodkin of our company, he can give you a free health assessment and just do it. And I'll show you at the end of this video what it looks like. So 1 winner will receive $5,000 this Friday. Okay, and then right here in small print, anyone who has achieved all 4 of these week 1, 2, 3, and 4 qualifications will also be entered to win $5,000, $2,500, $1,000, and $500. Okay, we'll go over that at the end of the video here. So this week, my mission, I feel like it's mission impossible because I want to win $5,000. I've got to give away as many 1 free health assessments as I can. Okay, now next week, okay, after the 6th here, okay, so starting Saturday, December 7th, week number 2, I've got to enroll 1 new member. Okay, and I'll easily do that. I just signed up 3 people over the last 5 days. So I'm going to do my best next week to sign up 1 person, okay, as a member and an affiliate. And if you go to joincory.com, you can see how I do it. Okay, week number 3, okay, this starts on December 19th. Okay, that's when they're going to give it away. I got to place a product order. So I like protein powder, chocolate, and vanilla. I'm a big fan of our Super Reds and Super Greens. So what I'll do is I'll just order some of my products on this week. Okay, so remember, this week is currently active because it's December 3rd. Then after Saturday, December 7th, week number 2 starts. Saturday, December 14th, week 3 starts. Okay, and then going into Christmas, you can see here, going into Saturday, December 21st, I've got to enroll another member. So I'll do my best to get some people signed up, and I do that anyway. But it's fun to know that you can win $5,000. Okay, look at this. And they're drawn every Friday because we do a big live company meeting every Friday at noon Eastern. Okay, So I think what Ben's going to do is probably just at the end of the live, and they usually do a 1 hour training session, Zoom meeting. He'll probably just wait to the end and go, hey guys, congratulations to member and affiliate Cory Draper. That's my goal. All right, so we have 4 chances. $5,000, $5,000, $5,000, $5,000. And remember, I just got to give away a free health assessment this week. Next week, sign someone up. Week after, place a product order. And then week 4, sign someone up again, okay? And then just scroll to the very bottom and you can see the full month contest. It ends on the 31st, okay? So Happy New Year coming up. And then the winners of all this cash is going to be on the Friday, which is on January 3rd. Okay, so we're going to be signing people up, buying products, doing everything we can to give away free health assessments. But wouldn't it be nice to win $5,000? Would it be nice to win $2,500, $500? How about $10,000? How about all these little $5,000 little things we're going to be giving away every Friday? Okay, so anyway, and you guys can read all the fine print here. But yeah, this just kicked off today, so I'm excited. Okay, and this is how I give away. Let me see if I can shrink my screen up. And I'm going to go to another page. I'm going to look over here and I'm going to type in free health, all right, survey.com. Let me hit enter. And let me bring on my screen what you and me and all of us in LiveGood can do. Okay, so what I did is I went and bought freehealthsurvey.com. And you can see this is my own custom link here. And if you go in your back office of LiveGood, okay, you can get this link. And you should give this away all day, not just because of the contest. This is just awesome. People will take the survey. It only takes like 3 or 4 minutes. This is Dr. Ryan Goodkin, okay? He's one of the co-founders, co-owners of LiveGood. And he's also the guy in charge of creating our fine products. So watch this short video. It's only 1 minute and 20-something seconds. And go ahead and click my health report. Just fill out yes, no, and maybe your age or, just fill out everything. And then you'll get an email of what's recommended. And we have just really awesome products. Okay, so this week, the next couple days until this Thursday, and today is, what is it, Tuesday? So Wednesday, Thursday. So I got basically 3 days to just go ahead and post and email people, hey guys, take this free survey. And let Dr. Ryan Goodkin at least give you a nice free assessment about what might be recommended to get your heartbeat, your heart blood pressure, your diabetes. Maybe are you tired? Do you need more energy? Do you need to lose weight? Okay. It's nice to get a free health assessment from a full-blown doctor that kicks ass like Dr. Ryan and his wife, Lisa, too. They both practice what they preach. Even our CEO at LiveGood does. It's kind of cool that they're not eating donuts like me. Okay, I usually have like a taco and a milkshake telling you to get in shape, and it's whole, So, okay, guys. So I'm excited about the cash. That's a lot to give away. $75,000 is going to be given out over the next, during this month. And just remember, it all ends December 31st, and that mountain of cash is all going to be given away on January 3rd. But every Friday we're giving away $5,000. So if you're a member or an affiliate, okay, check your email and read that poster that I just read from, okay? And hopefully you'll win some money. How about some moolah, some scratch, okay? So guys, what is your assignment? Okay, I'm going to show you again. Do I need to shrink up and show you? Because I want someone to fill this out. Okay, let me go ahead and just type it. freehealthsurvey.com, okay? And then just click this little orange button here. Listen to Dr. Ryan talk and get yourself a free health survey, a free health assessment, okay? All right, guys. And if you're not in LiveGood, go to joincory.com. Join Cory, C-O-R-Y. So joincory.com. Go ahead and just watch that short little video. And I hope you join LiveGood. Buy the products at least. Wholesale, retail, they're cheap. You'll love it. But I want you to earn money. I want you to become an affiliate. Okay? I just had 3 people sign up the last couple days. And I want just everybody to have a good experience like I'm having. Okay? Have a good time, guys. Cory at corydraper.com if you need to get a hold of me. Or you can just write below this video. I see everybody's comments and stuff, okay? Subscribe. That's hard to say. to my YouTube channel and bookmark my Facebook page. Okay, guys, take care. See you soon.